Forget everything you thought you knew about the tablet market, because Samsung is about to drop a nuclear bomb on the industry. If you've been looking at the iPad Pro or even the latest Tab S11 and thinking, is this really as good as it gets? Just wait. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we pull back the curtain on the most secretive tech in the world. Today, we're diving into the absolute monster that is the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. We are talking about a device that doesn't just want to be your tablet. It wants to be your laptop, your creative studio, and your AI assistant, all rolled into one. If you're in the US or any premium market where performance is king, this is the video you cannot afford to skip. Stay with me until the end, because the leaked pricing and the specific killer feature that Apple literally cannot match will change how you spend your money next year. Let's get right into the heart of the beast. It's the design. For years, the Ultra line has been the king of the giant tablet, but the S12 Ultra is taking a massive leap. We are hearing from multiple high-level sources that Samsung is finally ditching the notch. That's right. The controversial camera cutout that has divided fans for years is reportedly gone, replaced by sophisticated under-display camera technology that has finally matured enough for a flagship tablet. Imagine a 14.6-inch canvas with absolutely zero interruptions. But it's not just about the screen, it's about the soul of the device. Rumors are swirling that Samsung is moving toward a titanium frame, much like the S24 and S25 Ultra phones. This isn't just for flex, it's about structural integrity and weight. When you have a tablet this big, every gram counts, and titanium allows it to be lighter than ever, while being virtually impossible to bend. Now, let's talk about the display, because if Samsung is known for one thing, it's being the undisputed king of screens. The Tab S12 Ultra is tipped to feature the next generation of Tandem OLED technology. If you're not a display nerd, here's why that matters. It uses 2 layers of organic LEDs instead of 1. The result? Mind-blowing brightness that can finally compete with direct sunlight and a lifespan that far outlasts traditional OLEDs. We are expecting peak brightness levels to hit a staggering 2,000 nits. For creators in the US who take their work to coffee, shops, or outdoor studios, this is a game changer. Plus, the anti-reflective coating that debuted on the S24 Ultra is coming to the tablet, making the screen look like printed paper rather than reflective glass. But a beautiful screen is nothing without the power to drive it. This is where things get controversial and exciting. While the Tab S11 series experimented with MediaTek, the S12 Ultra is rumored to return to a custom-tuned Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, or what some are calling the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. This silicon is being built from the ground up to handle one thing: AI. Samsung is moving away from the mobile feel and pushing this toward a desktop-class experience. We're looking at up to 24 gigabytes of RAM in the highest tier model. To put that in perspective, that's more RAM than most MacBook Pros currently sitting on store shelves. When you pair this with a refined version of Samsung DeX, the line between tablet and laptop doesn't just blurt, disappears. Speaking of AI, Galaxy AI 3.0 is the headline act here. We've seen Circle to Search and Live Translate, but the Tab S12 Ultra is going deeper. Imagine proactive multitasking. The tablet will use on-device AI to watch your workflow. If you're writing a report in Notes and looking at a PDF in another window, the AI will automatically suggest summaries, cross-reference data, and even generate charts without you asking. The S Pen is also getting a massive overhaul. It's no longer just a stylus. It's an active tool with a built-in haptic motor that simulates the feel of different surfaces: lead on paper, brush on canvas, or even a pen on glass. The latency is rumored to be effectively zero. We're talking under 2 milliseconds. It will feel faster than your brain can think. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of giant tablets. But Samsung is reportedly fitting a massive 12,000 mAh cell inside this ultra-thin chassis. But the real news isn't the capacity, it's the charging. After years of being stuck at 45 West, the S12 Ultra is rumored to finally jump to 65 West, or even 80 W fast charging. For a power user in a fast-paced market like the US, being able to top up half of this massive battery in 20 minutes It's the difference between a productive day and a dead slab of glass. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds expensive. And you're right, quality at this level comes with a premium. Early leaks suggest the S12 Ultra will start at $1,299 for the 256GB model, with the 1TB and 2TB Pro variants reaching well over $1,800. It's a steep price. But when you consider it replaces a $1,500 laptop and a $1,000 tablet, the math starts to make sense for professionals. The competition is sweating. Apple's M4 iPad Pro is a powerhouse, but it's still hampered by iPad Os. Samsung is leaning into that weakness. The S12 Ultra will ship with Android 16 and One UI 8.5, which is being designed specifically to feel like a desktop OS when a keyboard is attached. They are rumored to be launching a new Magic Style keyboard that features a haptic glass trackpad and a dedicated cooling vent to keep the tablet running at peak speeds during heavy video editing or gaming, so why should you wait? For the S12 Ultra, instead of buying what's out now, because we are at a turning point, the S12 Ultra represents the first time Samsung is putting every single piece of its best tech display, build, silicon, and AI into one single device without compromise. It's the everything device. Whether you're a digital artist, a deep corporate executive, or a tech enthusiast who just wants the absolute best display for Netflix, this is the ceiling. There is nothing above this. As we get closer to the official Unpacked event, which we expect in late 2026, the hype is only going to grow. But remember, you saw it here first on Tap Tech. We're going to be tracking every single firmware leak and supply chain rumor to make sure you're ready the second pre-orders go live. Because let's be honest, a device this specialized is going to sell out fast, especially in the US and Europe. Thank you so much for watching another deep dive here at Tap Tech. We put hours of research into these scripts to ensure that when you spend your hard-earned money, you're doing it with the best information available. If this breakdown helped you decide whether to hold off on your next upgrade, do us a huge favor, smash that like button and hit subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you these exclusive looks at the future of technology. Don't forget to turn on those notifications so you don't miss our upcoming comparison between the S12 Ultra and the rumored iPad Pro M5. Before you head out, I want to hear from you. Is the removal of the notch the biggest win for you? Or are you more excited about that titanium build? Drop a comment below. I read every single one, and I'll be jumping in to answer your questions about the specs we discussed today. This is the community that drives the tech world forward, and I'm glad you're a part of it. Stay curious, stay tech savvy, and I will see you in the next one. Tap Tech, signing out.